The thermostat is one of the components of the fuser unit. It's a thermal cutout which senses the temperature of the fuser rollers and prevents the fuser overheating, cutting off the main power. It's quite common for it to be faulty. Using a multimeter, a faulty thermostat has a reading of 1. There is a simple way to repair not all the types of thermostat, but some of them. This thermostat does not work, and if you note, the plate is convex. But it should be in this shape, not convex. I remove the plate. Inside the thermostat there is a pin. If you press the pin, the contact is interrupted and the thermostat stops to work. I open the thermostat. If convex, the plate presses on the pin that moves a little metal plate inside the thermostat, interrupting the contact. All you have to do is to raise up the plate. You can reshape it, slamming it several times until it returns in the original shape. Or you can use a screwdriver.